Two angels carry baby Jesus on their shoulders. Jesus automatically reaches out for his mother, but the Virgin Mary is praying and does not seem to notice her son. While Jesus and his mom are in their own worlds, the angel on the right giggles and looks directly at us.
Filippo Lippi depicts Mary as a very beautiful woman, which was not a common thing during those days. For example, look at her sweet facial expression and the graceful veils and the pearls in her hair. He also painted her forehead larger than it was in reality, as that was considered an object of beauty during that time. Lippi painted this a generation before the beautiful works by Botticelli.
The traditional halos from the Middle Ages also seem to have disappeared.
Yes, Lippi is one of the first to replace the large golden halo with a faint circle. He wanted to paint Mary as a beautiful woman, and a large halo would distract from that.
And his clients liked his innovations?
At least some of them did. And he was smart about it. He did not do away with the halo completely, as his commissioners would not have accepted that yet. But Lippi was a controversial man. He was a Carmelite monk, but he did not adhere to the celibate lifestyle. He fell in love with the nun who served as the model for Mary in this painting. According to some stories, one day he abducted her to live together with her. They even had a son together. But commissioners forgave him for these behaviors, as he was such an amazing artist.